Coding. Welcome to lesson number 5, learning if, elif, and else. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to understand that computers can make decisions using conditions, explain what the decision keywords mean, if, elif, and else, write a Python program that asks the user questions using input, compare answers using the equal comparison, create a program that asks multiple questions at a time, use if, elif, and else blocks to give different responses based on the user's answer, and build a beginner program with 3 questions and 4 possible answers for each question. Before we get started, as always, if you get stuck, check spelling, check parentheses, check indentation, check quotation marks, read the error message out loud, convert math input to float, and remember Python is a case-sensitive language. Today you will ask the computer questions, let the computer choose different answers, and use if, elif, and else to make decisions. Making decisions in Python. Computers can ask questions and choose answers. We do this with if, elif, and else. What is an if statement? An if statement helps the computer make decisions. Here's an example. If it is raining, then bring an umbrella. Computers can do the same thing. The 3 decision words. Python uses 3 special words. If for the first question, elif for another choice, and else for everything else. Our program. We will ask 3 fun questions. Each question has 4 choices. The computer will give a different message for each answer. Question number 1. Favorite animal? Type once on my screen. You can pause the video while you type. Explaining this code. Input asks the user a question. The answer gets saved in animal. Then Python checks, is it dog? Is it cat? Is it bird? If not, it must be fish. Question number 2. Favorite color? Type the code that's on my screen. You can pause the video while you type. Question number 3. Favorite food? Type the code that's on my screen. Once again, you can pause the video while you type. The final code should look like this. This is what it should look like when you press run. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.